so excited to bead. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a Temu unboxing. If you saw my Universal Yums box unboxing last week, you probably know why I look like this. It's because I just came from hot yoga. I wanted to get these videos up and I want to open my Temu bag. I don't think I've ever received a Temu package not in the bright orange bag, but I'm excited to open it up. If you're unfamiliar with Temu, they are an online marketplace that has absolutely everything you could imagine at fantastic prices. This was something that was sent to me and I'm so incredibly excited to open it. I got a couple craft things. I'm hoping to do some fun DIYs coming up. So let's go ahead and open them up. I do have a code that you can type into the app and get some money off, so definitely go ahead and type that in. I also will have everything linked down below for you. Let's open it up. So first thing we have in here, ooh, okay, this is a little mat for crafting. I don't have like a crafting table. I either just sit here or my coffee table. So I wanted something that kind of protects the surface that's not just tin foil, which is what I usually use. So this is what it looks like. It's in kind of this sky blue. It's not super large. I think it's just the right amount of space. Stretchy, it's made of silicone, so it's gonna be really easy to wipe down if glue or resin or paint gets on here. So this is very exciting. I mean, I'm not really sure how to judge the quality on this, but it feels like exactly what I expected. And this was super cheap. Then I got a little thing of glitter. These are for some resin projects that I have in there. I'll leave some pictures up of what this actually looks like, but this is the assortment of glitter. I appreciate that they came individually bagged, even though they're in a container. They packaged this very carefully, which I really appreciate because it would have been really sad if this got everywhere. Similarly, I got some mica powder for dyeing things. This is what they look like. They're super, super pretty. It looks like this shattered, but again, they're just loose pigments. So very pretty. There's a really nice assortment of colors in here. Then we have what I'm guessing is probably the resin based on what it feels like. I think these might be the same thing. I got 2 of them. So it comes with 2 of these and then 2 of the pouring caps. So I've never used resin before. I'm excited to try it out. Hopefully it works. Then I got this mold. I wanted to make some fun jewelry and I thought this would be a really cool kind of earring mold. I really love these little flowers and then these kind of, I don't remember what they're called, those leaves. I think they're really pretty. So this should be really fun to mess around with. Ooh, and then the last thing in here is a jewelry making kit. It looks like this broke a little bit, so I'll have to reach out to them about that. Oh, that's so sad because this is so cute. They do have fantastic customer service though. So if you ever have an issue, definitely reach out to them. They're super quick to get back to you and always make it right. So I'm sure this will be no exception. But this is kind of what's going on here. There's just a little crack. Hopefully you can see that. I would like my camera to focus. But yeah, there's just a little crack here. So there's some loose pieces of plastic. So I'll just be careful, but they have a bunch of these kind of, here, I'll flip it this way. They have some of the flat little beads. They have some letters. They have some smiley faces, some charms, some scissors, some string. I think this is just gonna be so much fun. I thought this would be a good little Galentine's Day activity. So I'm pretty excited to play around with this. And that was everything. That was a much smaller haul than I expected. But I'm pretty excited to try everything out. Let me know down below if you have tried any of the Temu crafting products. I've tried a couple different things and I've had great success with all of them. So I'm interested to see what's worked well for you. If you've tried resin, definitely leave me your tips down below because like I said, I've never tried it. So I'm interested to see how it goes. And thank you so much for coming and hanging out with me. Again, if you haven't tried Temu, definitely go ahead and use my code down below. And if you're interested in these products, the links are down there too. thank you so much for coming and hanging out with me today. I really appreciate you being here, even though I'm a little bit of a mess today. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. And in the meantime, I hope you have a killer day. Bye!